The Pixel Fold is Google's highly anticipated and luxurious smartphone offering. Packed with cutting-edge features, this device comes at a premium price starting from $17.99. Google ensures that you will enjoy an exceptional experience with this phone by providing at least 5 years of software updates. As you accumulate significant and valuable data over those years, it becomes crucial to safeguard your investment with a high-quality case. To simplify your search for the perfect protection, we've come up with the top 5 best cases for the Google Pixel Fold, so let's check them out. The Viaotaily case for the Google Pixel Fold is designed to provide exceptional protection and functionality for your device. With its military-grade construction, the case ensures your Google Pixel Fold is safeguarded against drops, bumps, and impacts. The soft TPU material and raised anti-collision corners effectively absorb and disperse 99% of the impact force, giving you peace of mind in any situation. Not only does this case provide exceptional protection, but it also offers comprehensive screen protection. They include a screen protector and 2mm raised edge to create a double-layered defense system guarding your Google Pixel Fold screen against scratches and cracks without compromising touch sensitivity. The raised backplate with a maximum height of 3mm specifically shields the camera of your Google Pixel Fold. Furthermore, the Pixel Fold wallet case is equipped with a hidden card holder that can securely store up to 3 cards such as your ID card, driver's license, or some cash. If you choose not to use the card holder for its intended purpose, it can be conveniently transformed into a stand, offering a hands-free experience and allowing you to enjoy your device at the optimal viewing angle. Google recently revealed its highly anticipated device, the Google Pixel Fold, at the Google I/O Developer Conference. Alongside the phone, Google has also released a matching protective case weighing 34.3 grams and designed with a sleek black color featuring green undertones. The case perfectly covers both screens while still allowing flexibility when the phone is folded in and out. Its durable material protects the device's more defined borders and vertical hinge from any unfortunate accidents caused by gravity. The interior of the case is made out of microfiber, which can absorb shock while still maintaining a soft and slim exterior with a silicone and polycarbonate shell. The case's opening along the phone's hinge suggests that it can fit on either side of the phone with ease. The TUDIA DualShield for Google Pixel Fold is a top-tier protective solution engineered with certified military-grade durability and innovative tough rhino technology. Designed to safeguard your device from drops and scratches, the case offers dual-layer protection that ensures peace of mind. The TUDIA DualShield features a specialized construction that shields your camera and screen from potential damage with its raised lip and edges. With this thoughtful design, you can confidently place your phone face down without having to worry about unwanted scratches or scuffs on these critical areas. The non-slip textured design on both sides and back of the case provides an extra layer of security, ensuring a firm grip while holding your phone. Additionally, the case boasts tactile and clicky buttons that are meticulously crafted for stress-free usage. With these thoughtfully designed buttons, you can effortlessly access all essential functionalities of your Google Pixel Fold without having to compromise on ease of use. So experience the ultimate combination of robust protection and user-friendly design with the TUDIA DualShield. Introducing the Spigen Slim Armor Pro Case. Meticulously designed to provide unrivaled protection for the Pixel Fold. This innovative case showcases advanced edge protection technology specifically crafted to safeguard the delicate hinge mechanism at all times, ensuring its longevity and optimal functionality. With its dual layers and integrated air cushion technology, the Slim Armor Pro case offers absolute protection against impact and potential damage. This intelligently engineered combination of materials create a formidable shield for your Pixel Fold, providing peace of mind in every situation. Additionally, this cutting-edge case incorporates the all-new all-foam technology, delivering an extra layer of shock resistance. Moreover, the case boasts a premium finish, adding a touch of sophistication to your device and elevating the overall user experience. Protecting dual screens is a challenging task, but Caseology offers a robust solution with its polycarbonate-based case. The case is designed to provide heavy-duty protection while maintaining a slim and functional form factor for an ergonomic grip. It offers complete hinge coverage, ensuring that both screens are adequately shielded from damage. The case's construction features polycarbonate back panels and TPU-lined edges, adding extra durability and impact resistance. Additionally, an adhesive strip enhances security and provides a grippy feel for added peace of mind. The case is relatively slim considering its heavy-duty status, but it may still add some bulk to the already slightly chunky fold phone. Nevertheless, the protection it offers makes it a worthwhile trade-off, as it's far better to have a thicker phone than a broken one. Overall, if you're looking for a reliable and sturdy case to protect your dual-screen phone, the Caseology polycarbonate-based case is an excellent option. It provides comprehensive protection and is designed to ensure that your device remains safe even in the event of a fall or impact. So that was all about the top 5 best case for Google Pixel Fold just for you. Which one do you want to buy? We would love to hear from you. Please let us know, and as always, thanks for watching this video. Like, comment and share with your friends if you find this video to be helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.